Hi guys. So a couple of hours ago, Google just went ahead and launched their new AI coding tool, pretty similar to Claude Code by Anthropic, and it's called Gemini CLI. And today in this video, I'll show you how you can download, set up, and start using Gemini CLI completely for free. Yes, you heard it right. You can go ahead and start using Gemini CLI. It is free, and you can use the Gemini 2.5 Pro AI model right within the same. So let's quickly get started. So this is right here is the official blog post by Google about Gemini CLI, like the release notes. And if you want to know, you can go ahead and read, find all this information. As you can see, it says it is available free of charge. That means you can go ahead and send up to 60 requests per minute, and again 1,000 model requests per day. And top of all that, Gemini CLI is open source as well. So the first thing that you got to do is head over to the first link in the description below, and you will land on this GitHub page of Google Gemini CLI. And now if I go ahead and scroll down, I will be able to find all these installation instructions. Now, before you go ahead and try to use Gemini CLI, make sure you have Node installed on your computer, and I think most of you will have it. So, yeah, let us install this. So, I will copy this. I'll head over to my terminal. I'll paste this over here. This will take some time. Okay, so now it is set up. For the first time, it will ask you to log in. You can use your API key, or you can just sign in using Google account. So yeah, once it is ready, it is done, and you can, as it is a CLI, you can use this in your terminal, inside your VS Code, IntelliJ IDEA, or any other ID of your choice. So yeah, let's head over to VS Code, and let's create a sample project. So let me try to make a maybe Pomodoro timer. All right, so this is a new project. We are starting from scratch. So let us generate a prompt using Claude. All right, I think it is good. We can copy this. We can head over to VS Code, open up the terminal, and we are inside this. So let us initialize Gemini. Gemini is initialized, and here we can paste that prompt. Just hit enter. We can see these files are getting generated. So this is the HTML file, this is the JavaScript, and these are the all CSS. So I guess this is done. We can taste it. Let's open it using any browser. Let's open with Arc. All right, so this is a simple Pomodoro timer. So this has a start button, pause, reset, pretty minimalistic. So yeah, right. So this is how you use Gemini CLI. This was a quick tutorial. Hope you find it useful. All right. Thank you. Bye.